Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Genesis. Unfortunately, the wedding is not weddinging for Maruna. Girl is not enjoying herself at all. It's a week, but she still has not yet slept in the same room with her husband. Everything is going south very fast. But here's the thing. Ugile has faith. Ugirl has faith yokuthi izinto zizohamba kahle. Girl wakes up and does breakfast for her husband, even though the husband is not even eating the breakfast. So she decided to go and speak to her sister. In the conversation, unfortunately, her sister said, no, a married couple should sleep together in the same room. But the way you are saying it, it does not seem like it's happening. So, girl, what is your plan? What are you going to do? In that, she advised Maruna to go and speak to her mother-in-law being Ophelia. Yo, I okay wangena ngetiya and trying to warm herself into the whole thing, and she was told where to get off. She was told ukuthi I wish ukuthi bonke akuhlalise ngesibune esi1. Literally, I want you to enjoy, to be miserable. I don't want you to enjoy any single moment in this house. Ukuthi what's going to happen ukuthi bonke uzoshintsha imind uzoyishintsha yini, we don't know. Felicia is also suspecting Gucci there's something going on between Umaru and Gabriel because they were talking. I'm not sure if you know people were together at some point. You think Gucci something was happening. I can't get wakwatele indoda wa reactor wayenzani. Unfortunately for now, she does not know the facts, but she made it clear ukuthi nina niyanginyanyisa. While umama ngale Umaruna wants to renovate her house, uGirl bamphathele iplan wathi hlalani nama-plan wenu, mina ngineyami iplan naye. Hhayi ama-architect bazama ukumtshela ukuthi no, that's not how it's done, that's how it's done, athi nope, this is how I want it to be. Ukuthi izoba njalo, we are not sure. Finally, Ishmael gets an ID. Bamenzela i-ID na ama-connections kaGabriel made sure ukuthi i-ID uyenza kuphi bene kanti ofisini. So nje things are going well for him. He got the cell phone with airtime. Will he get some cash, because that's what he needs right now? We are yet to see.